This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake and chock the rear wheels. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the vehicle body chassis rails and raise the vehicle until the front wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the chassis rail and lower the jack. Rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Slacken the oil drain plug at the rear of the engine sump. Position a suitable container under the sump drain plug, then fully unscrew the plug and allow the old oil to drain. Note that it may be necessary to reposition the container as the oil flow slows. Clean the drain plug and examine the sealing washer. Renew it if it shows any signs of damage. Clean around the drain hole area of the sump, then refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Move the container to beneath the oil filter at the front of the engine. Use an oil filter removal tool to slacken the filter initially, then unscrew it by hand the rest of the way. Empty the oil from the old filter into the container. Clean the filter sealing area on the engine. Apply a thin smear of clean engine oil to the sealing ring on the new filter, then manoeuvre it into position and tighten it firmly by hand. Don't use any tools. Remove the oil container and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the wheel chocks. Fill the engine through the filler hole using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to drain into the sump. Continue to add oil, a small quantity at a time, until the level is up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Adding approximately a further 0.75 of a litre will bring the level up to the upper mark on the dipstick. Refit the filler cap and wipe away any spilled oil.